been doing affiliate marketing for more than 10 years. And when I first get started, I have no knowledge and skill about marketing. So all I did was spamming. Yeah. I went to different Facebook group, then I spam there. I post like, hey, I buy this product. Hey, there's amazing offer. So guess what? Yeah, it doesn't work, right? So it's not working, and I got my account suspended. So I was really frustrated. I was like, wow, what can I do? So after I recovered my account, I tried to do something different, right? So I tried to learn how to run ads. So I learned how to run Facebook ad. I tried to learn how to run Google ad. And it works like crazy at first, right? So I remember all I did was I set up a campaign. Then I drive traffic from Google directly to the offer, and it will work, right? So, but over time, because of the competition, right? So there are more and more people try to do the same thing. So the competition is going higher and higher. Then all of a sudden, all of my campaigns stop working. So that's the time I try to figure out a new way. So I tried to learn different things. Then I found all the top affiliates are doing one thing in common. That is building a list. They all do email marketing. And that's why I want to share with you how you can actually make affiliate marketing work, right? So here's the key. So the old way of doing affiliate marketing is you run ads, you drive traffic from social media, or you run a video, you create a video, or you run blog post, right? Then you send all the traffic directly to the offer. And that's all you need to do, right? So the more traffic you get, the more money you will make. So that's the old way of saying. But the problem is because of the competition, right? So the competition will get higher and higher. So ad cost is going higher and higher over time. So all of a sudden you may lose profit. So instead of sending traffic to the offer, what I found all the top affiliates do, and I'm doing that right now as well, is I send traffic to what we call opt-in page, right? So what it works is we are going to use this to get our audience, our visitors' email address. So we're going to give away something for free. Maybe it's a free report, maybe it's a free training, things like that, right? We're giving away something for free to get their email address. So in order for them to get those free training, free videos, right? They need to give us their email address. So they're going to leave their email address here. Then after they submit, they will be sent to the thank you page to download the training, the report, things like that. And here's the beauty, because right now we get their email address. So we can send them daily emails or promotional emails, right? So as long as you are providing some value in your email, they won't bother if you promote something in the content, right? So you're going to deliver some value in those emails, and you're going to promote something in the emails as well, right? So you can sell them different product over and over again, right? So that's the power of that, because right now you not only can promote multiple different products, you also get the asset, right? So the ad cost, even though maybe after 1 year, the ad cost increase again, you already got the list, you already got assets so that you can reach out to your audience for free. So that's the power of this building and email marketing. So that's the key here, right? So there are two ways of doing affiliate marketing. The first one is you send traffic directly to the offer, or you can send them to the opt-in page and get their email address and follow up with them with email. And as I said, this is the best way. So I hope you enjoyed that. I will see you soon in the next video.